OMG guys, so I'm so happy. I just found out how to use my webcam on my laptop. Well, it's not really my laptop, it's my school laptop, but shh. So, yeah. So I'm gonna be recording a Minecraft video, cause why not? Let's bring back the Minecraft videos. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this and then I'll come back to you when I get the Minecraft set up. So, yeah. Okay, so it is set up. And we are just going to go on a journey, I guess. So let's just create a new world. And I like cheating, I'm sorry. We're just gonna like adventure. So, yeah. So, here's my phone. I just realized I could do a phone video of like what's on my phone. But my phone's like my baby. And yeah. Hang on. Okay, so I'm gonna Okay, so I am back and I got the game loaded. It's laggy kinda, sorry. I'm really sorry that's laggy. Might have to play on another map. Cause it's just so laggy, I'm sorry. We have to play on a different map that's not too graphic-y. So I'll set that up. Be right back. Okay, so I just loaded in a plain map. This should be okay, so let's get the monsters off. So I guess we're just going to, yeah, this is me. This, that's not the right button. That's not the right button either. Pretty sure I just screenshotted. Yep. Not the right button. Here we go. Here we are. So this is me. And I like to play in this mode. Okay, so okay, and we're just gonna build something. I think I know what I'm gonna build, but I'm not too sure. No, I need something white. So I'm gonna show you guys how to build a greenhouse. Okay, so let's get started. So with this, I just went up. Hang on. So with this, I just went up a few, like, I think 7. Really depends on you. So, and now we're gonna go across 7. 4. And then down. So that's gonna be like the base. It's basically however far you want it to be. This isn't very practical because I don't really want a greenhouse, but it's just for you. So I just need to make a video, I guess, because I'm like kind of sick. So then you're just gonna make steps downwards. Okay? So just make a few steps. Not very many. Just like 3 or 4. And then you want to go over here and do the same. So this is turning out really well. And I would do it better, but I don't have a lot of time on this app that I'm using, or program. I'm using Screenomatic. And people are waking up too, so it would take me a while. So this is our greenhouse now. So now we're gonna fill it in like this. We're just gonna make a frame. So here's our frame. And I just got a message apparently. Okay, so that's that frame part. And then we are going to just do that around it. And do this.